as you can see. Let's get Ravi Kulkarni, the whole-time director of Pratibha Industries, to find out whether things are picking up on the ground. Ravi, hi, good afternoon, and thank you for being with us in the studio.
Pleasure is mine.
How is the business looking? I understand that you have close to 8,000 crore order book currently,
yes.
But what are the orders like in the pipeline, and what kind of revenue trajectory would you expect in FY15?
See, definitely, market looks very positive. We have a new government, and definitely we hope that government will do something good in the coming years. Market is definitely picking up, since we have seen Mr. Modi also, the Prime Minister who has been successfully done things in Gujarat. So we feel that, India will pick up since the leader is good. And apart from that, the present government is giving a lot of emphasis on infrastructure, which is, very encouraging to companies like us who are in the mid-size.
So what would that translate into in terms of a growth, expected growth?
I am sure that, all the construction companies are very happy, and the growth is going to be very good. When you talk about the numbers, we have been growing at the year on year. We are growing at 15%. So I hope we will definitely stick to that 15% growth.
Okay. Hi Ravi, good afternoon. Well, the market is also looking better in terms of valuations, and I think you all were considering exiting the pipe business because it, has been lagging, given the oversupply. So any progress on that?
You see, we are basically into construction of water pipelines. We are not into manufacturing of any kind of pipes. So we definitely feel that there is improvement in the construction side, as I said before. And there are a lot of projects in pipeline which are happening now. When you talk about water projects, when you talk about infrastructure, when you talk about urban, so there is a lot of growth overall in India. And we are hoping that, that things will move very fast. See, it's not magic, nothing will happen overnight. But definitely government is very positive in taking quick decisions. So we are happy that, things are moving fast, and we have been bagging a lot of projects. And
can you give us details of what these projects are? Is it purely urban, or do you have any presence in rural?
No, you see, when you talk about when we have backed projects, they are all water. We have backed water jobs in Gujarat. We have taken jobs in Rajasthan. We are successful in taking jobs in Maharashtra. We have taken a couple of jobs in Maharashtra. Building side, we have taken jobs. So it's it's a mixed bag of various sectors. When you talk about various projects. So it's basically a mixed bag of projects. Gujarat, we have taken around 1,400 crore jobs.
And what kind of margins would these projects bring around? I mean, I think as per your last financials, you are sitting on a 14% margin profile. Will that continue in FY15, or will it be much better?
No, absolutely. We'll try to stick to what we have been achieving. And if it is better, nothing like it, but we try to stick to those numbers.
Okay. Tell us a little more about the order book. In how many, can you give us details about, whether you're L1 in how many projects and which states?
You see, now, we have under the current situation, we have around 2-3 projects which are under negotiation, and hopefully we should take it. Another 15-20 days, we are expecting some good result on it. But as of now, Pratibha Industries is focusing more on execution. At present, we have an order book of around 8,000 crore, which is a sizable order book, and we need to complete those jobs. So our complete focus is on execution, which needs to be tightened. If we need to stick to those margins, we need to complete the job. Taking order is one thing, but finishing jobs is important.
What's the size of these 2-3 projects for which you're under negotiation?
It's around 500 crore.
Each?
No, not each. All put together around 500 crore.
Okay. What about your manufacturing division? I mean, that has been a drag on your books for a while.
Yes.
What's the outlook over there?
You see, what we have done is, now what our management has decided that we will stick to our core business. And our core business is construction. We have already sold our pipe mill, and it is on the verge of going. So we just want to just get out of the manufacturing unit.
So you will exit that manufacturing business completely?
We'll exit, yes.
Okay, what are the valuations that you've got for the pipe mill? You said you're just going to be closing it.
You see, the total valuation of the pipe mill is around 100-125 crores.
Okay.
So, that has to go out from our books, which will give a lot of boost to our current business, which is our core strength. So that is one thing, and we are getting out of all the assets, non-core assets.
Can you detail what are the non-core assets the company is sitting on?
We have a pipe mill, then we have a land which we want to get out of it. Then we have a building, a BOT building which we had taken, and so hopefully that is also on the finalization stage. So these are 3-4 assets which we want to come out of.
So what's the debt currently, and how much by way of debt reduction could you bring about by sale of non-core assets?
You see, around 300 to 400 crores is what we expect to reduce. So that will really help us and boost us for the current business.
And the total debt is
around 1,000 crores.
All right. Thanks so much for giving us all those details. All the best for the future. That's the word coming in from Pratibha. They look to hold their margins at this 14% level in coming years, and they will be looking to offload a lot of their non-core assets as well. Stock down 3%, but it's been a very strong performer of late. We'll take a break.